Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you stop your granny from twisting. So the answer to that question of how you stop your granny from twisting isn't turn off the music and tie her to a chair. Sorry, I couldn't resist that little joke, but I've never had a granny square, granny circle or rectangle twist on me yet. And I think there is a reason for that. So I decided to share my little tip with everybody. And I know those of you who might have seen some of my tutorials on granny squares might have seen that, but there's a lot of people out there that haven't seen them. So this is my round granny, and I've just done this as a tutorial. So I'm just carrying on, and I will show you, just ignore all of the patterning that I'm doing. If you want to watch this, there is a tutorial for it and you'll see it on my channel. But I'm going to show you how I stop my grannies from twisting. So what normally happens is there is an illusion that it starts to travel in this direction. And the reason for that is because if you look at each of these segments, there is a quite a large section that heads off in this direction. Plus we all tend to kind of crochet leaning. We do. It's just the way it is. So what I do is I yarn over, and when I go into here, I don't just do that. I make sure I go into that very corner and pull it off. So now that is a nice upright stand-up granny. So rather than a slanted falling over granny. So I complete this one for me is a little increase on the pattern that I'm doing. So I'll just continue until I've done this one. And then I go to the next next segment, and again it leans over because of that larger bit that comes out. So I'll just go into the corner. You don't have to insist on it as much as I'm doing. I'm doing that really specifically to show you. But when I build up speed, it's just something I naturally do. Just go into that corner. Oh, I missed my stitch. It's because I'm trying to peer at the bottom of my camera. But that's it basically in a nutshell. I just make sure I cut the corner so it stops it from deviating or giving that optical illusion that it is travelling in that direction, when really it's just a cluster of 4. But there you go. That's how I stop it from twisting, and it gives it a more defined look. It does come naturally after a while, but I've got a feeling that this is the reason that I've never had my grannies slanting, because I know a lot of people will on each subsequent rounds turn their work and go this way, and then you have the reverse side of your stitches showing on alternate rows. And you know, some people don't mind them, but I hate them. I think they're ugly on the reverse side, the kind of bumpy look. I don't like it. I prefer this kind of look. So I've always done it where I just do it in one continual round. So I've actually forgotten my pattern now where I've been showing you, but that's okay, I can undo it. So it's just basically on that big fat section in the corner there, just going over it and making it underneath the work that you're doing, underneath this part here, and just keep doing that all the way around, just into that corner, work over that little bit. It just kind of stops that illusion of travelling. So I hope that's helped, and if so, please like and share this video, and also, if you wouldn't mind, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, and hit the notification bell. You'll be informed when there are new tips, tricks and tutorials, lots and lots of things on my channel, so please check it out, and thank you for watching. So until next time, bye bye for now.